how to turn on dark mode on Telegram. So first of all, I am going to show you using my phone, and then I'm going to show you using my computer. So now go to your Telegram account, click on the top left icon, which is the burger icon, and then you can click on settings, scroll, and you should be able to find chat settings, and then you can see switch to night mode. So how do you do it? Just have to click on this little button called switch to night mode, and there it is already night mode. Another very easy thing is, I'm not sure you notice or not, when you click on the 3-line icon, you can see there's a moon right on the top of your button. Alright, all you have to do is just click on it. It became the white mode or bright mode, then click again and it became dark mode. So it is as simple as that. Now let's jump into my computer where I can show you how you can turn on dark mode for the Telegram web. So let's go. Now let me show you how you can turn on dark mode at your computer for Telegram. So you are in the web Telegram. I have a video on how to use this Telegram web, which is a Telegram on your computer, so you can view it somewhere. Okay, so how to turn on dark mode? So all you have to do is just go to the burger icon, which is the top left, and you can see very direct they show here dark mode. So just click on it and it became dark mode. Light mode, dark mode. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. If you like what I share, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you, and I see you next time. Goodbye.